Welcome to the regular user slash actor tutorial for BreazeHome version 5.0, the mortgage calculator team. My team members are Rafael Leal, Rafael Fernandez, Felipe Zuniga, Ledian Nunez, and myself, Carlos Lores. The product owner and mentor for this project is Dr. Masood Sajadi. If we were to go to the BreazeHome website, the first instance that you see mortgage calculator is up top here at mortgage calculator, but more on that later. Most importantly, if you will be seeing a property, you'll search or you'll go down here to preview property. So let's search this up. Open one of these properties as an example, and you see the property loaded up fine. The first thing you'll see is the mortgage calculator in the bottom right, and the price. This price is calculated from the calculator down below. If you like to adjust this monthly payment, you press adjust details. So once you press adjust details, it brings you down to the mortgage calculator section in the same website, and it pulls the price of the property into the calculator, and it calculates a 20% down payment automatically. So this will be the 20% down payment of this property with a 5% interest rate and 30-year fixed mortgage. So the principal and interest, it calculates it and it gives you this amount. With an HOA for this instance, this property does not have an association fee. The home insurance, it does the natural average is $75, and the property taxes, it calculates it to $1,918 from the website. So once you add all these numbers, it will give you the monthly payment, and it gives you additional information if you like. So this is the mortgage calculator that is seen from the details page. If we go over to the main website, the landing page, and we see the mortgage calculator, there is a drop down, right? And the first link is the mortgage calculator. So this mortgage calculator is the more detailed mortgage calculator, and it plays a scenario with this property. And let's say we're looking for a house for $450,000 and a down payment of $50,000. It adjusts accordingly, and it'll add the private mortgage insurance, also known as the PMI, since you're owing the bank less than 20% of what you got the loan for. In that case, since you owe less than 20%, the bank issues you an insurance to protect their money. So you're paying the bank an insurance. This loan program is 30 years. Let's say you want to put it down to 10 years, and that it will adjust to 2.5 interest, let's say, for the scenario, $3,000 property tax, and a $2,000 insurance. And we'll leave the association at 200. Also, the Spanish works. So if, for Spanish speakers, it adjusts accordingly to Spanish. Switch it back to English. I did the estimate mortgage calculator comparison. So it pretty much compares two property, a mortgage 1 and mortgage 2 for the scenario. It all works here with the pie chart and the legend. We also did the estimated interest mortgage calculator. So for a property that's $300,000, you pay an interest of $1,000, and this is the interest rate. So this is a calculator that does interest only, and this is an affordability calculator that estimates your affordability based on your income. So $70,000 annual job will allow you to afford a house that costs $357,000. And if you adjust the debt to income ratio, depending on your income, you could afford a house that's $451,000. If we go over to the main page again, we can see that we also added how to use the mortgage calculator and what is a mortgage payment. So if we go to how to use a mortgage calculator, over here it'll show the help page of how to use a mortgage calculator with details, and it takes you through the main tool and how to use it, and explains everything and what the values are showing you. We go back, we also did what is a mortgage payment, in which we describe how loans are done, the home price, what is the home price, what is the down payment, what is the interest rate, what is a property tax, and what's a homeowner's insurance. And we also go in depth and explaining to you which is the best mortgage for you, and explaining all of its costs and its benefits. And finally, if we go to the mortgage calculator, we see quick links to the said help pages. So here it'll link you to the choose the best mortgage for you, that link. And if you need help using the mortgage calculator, there's another link and explains to you how to use the mortgage calculator. This concludes the video for the actor/user of the mortgage calculator. Thank you for your time.